Hello, welcome back guys. Today's video is related to how to increase our profile views and get a lot of invites. So there are some hacks. Keep your tab open on your computer and every few minutes click your spacebar or something that switches your profile button to green showing you are online. Make your profile offline online. This it's a first hack, and you can also look through the jobs, view the jobs, but don't need to click off it because our bots are always watching and will show profile views fitting the client's criteria to the client. To get a bigger chance of having your profile viewed if you are active on the Upwork site. This is a big hack. If you are stay active on your Upwork profile, then you can get more chances to increase your invites. You can get more invites. Here in the image you can see available now badge, and you can purchase this badge by spending only 2 connects for a week. This badge is a new way for talent to communicate when they have availability to take on new projects. Those freelancers can easily identify who are advertising their availability badge. I have also created a video regarding to this available now badge, how you can purchase this badge, and how much connects it will take you to purchase for a week. You can check link on the description of the video and check the features of this available now badge. The second tip here is send 2-3 proposals every day. It will increases your chance to get your profile views. If you send 2-3 proposals every day, then you will get more invitation. The third tip is update your Upwork profile regularly. This will also increases your chances to get more profile views. Fourth tip is to create specialized profile. The main thing is that if you are creating specialized profile, it shows that you are a multitasking freelancer, and it will increases your chances to getting more profile views. The fifth tip is an inactive contract. If you have an active contract and you are not working on those contracts, then you need to end that contract, because the lesser the work in progress, the more the chances you will get to get invitation, and client will also looking to hire those freelancers who have less number of active contracts. So you can check on your profile the work in progress, how many contracts are in you are working currently. So please end inactive contracts. The sixth tip is have relevant samples or portfolio items. You can put samples or portfolio items on your profile. It will increase your chances to get more views. You can add more portfolios. You can add portfolios regularly to increase your chances to get more invites. The seventh tip is share positive feedback you have received. Once your contract goes, and then you can share your feedback on social media sites like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and other social media channels. From these, you can get noticed by the clients, and you can get more profile views on your Upwork profile. These are some of the tips and tricks. You can follow these tips and tricks in order to get more invites on your Upwork profile. Hope you like the video. I have more videos related to Upwork. If you have any query, you can ask me in on a comment section, and please do subscribe our channel, because I'm going to regularly post videos related to Upwork. It will increase your chances to getting jobs. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a good day.